Hello guys, it's WasherLad2014 here. Right, I'm currently at my mum's friend's house and my place, and she has a Hoover link. Doesn't say the model number, but on here it says HLW585DC/80. Right, it's an 8kg machine. 5kg drying. It's a washer dryer. Actually, this door is like. Fortunately, this is one of the shitty Hoovers. An extra would have been much better than this piece of shit. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick review of all the cycles. Right. First cycle is rapid 14. You got max temperature is 40 degrees. Max spin is 1200 RPM. Don't know what those options are. And you've got 40 minutes and daily 59, which is 59 minutes. And max temperature is 60 degrees. Max spin speed is 1500 RPM. Well, it's 1200, but you can increase it to 1500. Baby 60, which is 60 degrees, of course. So 60 degrees Celsius, and the max temperature is 60 degrees, and max spin speed is 1500 RPM, and the cycle is 2 hours 11 minutes. Mixed cycle, it's like the mixed fabric cycle on my Beko. Max temperature is 60 degrees. Max spin is 1200, and the cycle is 1 hour and 55. Whites plus pre. Max temperature is 90 degrees, and max spin speed is 1500, and the cycle is 3 hours 2 minutes. Cottons, which max temperature is 60 degrees. Oh, only 60 degrees on cottons. That's a bit weird. And the max spin is 1500 RPM. The cycle 3 hours 51 minutes for cottons. Jesus. Delicates, which is max temperature is 40 degrees and max spin is 400 RPM, and the cycle is 54 minutes. Rinse, which is max spin is 1200 RPM, the cycle is 28 minutes for rinse. I'm hoping that it does like 2 rinses instead of 1, because that would be bloody ages for just 1 rinse. Drain and spin. Max spin is 1500, and it's got 10 minutes. And wool and silk, which is the final the final washing program. The rest are drying programs, and max temperature is 30 degrees, and the max spin is 800 RPM. And I'm surprised the delicates is 400, but the wool is 800. Usually it's the other way around, and the cycle is 48 minutes. Now we're on to the drying cycle, which is got dry wool, which is 2 hours, and with that one it's got low heat, which is 2 hours 50, high heat, which is 3 hours and 50, and rapid dry, which is rapid wash and dry, which is 30 degrees. Max temperature you can have is 30 degrees, and max spin speed you can have is 1200, and the cycle is 59 minutes. And finally the one touch, which I'm not sure. Max spin's only 400 RPM. Max spin, and the max temperature is 90 degrees. I don't understand stuff for this machine. That's it. Yeah, I'm just going to spin the drum quicker. That does not look like an 8kg drum to me. Oh, this machine might have the faulty door lock. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Just a quick look at the drum. Yeah. I absolutely hate these Hoovers. Absolutely hate them. because the build quality is so cheap. Yeah, Hoover used to be really good, but sadly they're not anymore. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can always be notified about my latest content. Right, I might do a video of the Miele later, but if not, then I might maybe do one of the Miele tomorrow. Right, hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, then right, bye.